For 20 years after its foundation, Mucedola was engaged in manufacturing traditional animal feeds before going into laboratory animal diets. This was in the early 1970s. The choice to improve the contribution to researchers' requirements led to the development of standard and special formulas for all the different species raised, together with the most refined analytical controls. And this was only the beginning. Over the next 30 years, specialization became a compulsory choice. At the end of the 1980s, a plant devoted solely to the production of laboratory animal diets was built. From then on, the past was left behind. And Mucedola expressed the present with a new way of approaching research animal diets, with a technical leadership going well beyond the production of a simple feed. This was marked by the advent of a 100% stainless steel plant, physically separated from the traditional one already existing, in which the phenomenon of cross-contamination is absolutely excluded. Due to its computerized operation, special processes and safety systems, the plant marked a technical advance in the animal feed production and was highly appreciated by Italian and foreign operators. It was developed according to specific requirements and was not the typical turnkey feed production plant with ongoing modifications and improvements. The auditing systems of universities, pharmaceutical industries and research centers subject the Mucedola production facility to periodic controls that are the best guarantee of its continued consistency in production quality. The process quality certification ISO 9000 is a further guarantee for the researcher involved in coping with the many variables of animal facilities. The computerized dosage system allows full tracing of all the lots of raw materials used. The production information, together with the vacuum-packed samples, are kept in special archives. It is possible to recover the samples of the individual batches of the finished product, as well as all the batch numbers of the raw materials actually used at any time. To this end, the warehouse accounting system has been completely computerized, as has production. On the other hand, a separate personal computer controls the various process phases. An optical and acoustic alarm warns the operator in the case of malfunctioning, and the page relative to the critical point is highlighted to enable human intervention. The plant has got peculiar clean transport systems. There are no longer any endless screws, but pneumatic systems without any blind corners, scraping extractors, double mixers with complete opening. The pelletization machine feeding coil, one of the most critical parts of any feed mill, is extractable and washable. The inside of the dosage silos, as can be seen from the model, has been coated with epoxy paint compatible with food to avoid any harmful residues. Divided into 4 sections with 4 separate extractors, the storage silos are made of concrete with smooth walls in order to guarantee optimum storage even for lengthy periods, with protection from sudden changes in temperature. Therefore, it is possible to proceed according to the all full, all empty system. Thanks to the drying and airbed cooling processes, a product is obtained with low humidity and limited bacterial load, with resulting improved storage life. The pellet is sieved and screened before packaging, resulting in a product without dust or fragments. The analysis laboratory provides a wide variety of tests: vitamins, amino acids, aflatoxins, nitrosamines, total bacteria and pathogenic bacteria, yeasts, mold, bone fragments, genetically modified organisms and hardness, as well as the usual bromatological analysis according to the law. Other analyses are carried out by external laboratories. There is a vast range of products. They go from the standard certified diets produced on the basis of quarterly lots to standard top certified diets, produced with unique stocks of raw materials that last 12 months, particularly suitable for long-term studies where even the tiniest variables are to be eliminated. Diets can be in the standard form, in an autoclavable paper bag, or automatically vacuum packed, irradiated and non-irradiated. The vacuum guarantees that no type of contamination has taken place after irradiation. The packages are left for 24 hours before being packed into cartons and are checked one by one. The internal packaging is very practical and can be used under a hood or in an insulator. Treatment is confirmed by a sticker that changes from yellow to red during the irradiation operation. Special diets with the addition of active ingredients on request or custom formula diets according to the specific requirements of the researcher are also produced in a separate department. Pelletizing and drying take place according to coded procedures and special instruments. The technicians have matured specific experience in this field. The diets are especially formulated and vacuum packed, or packed as required by the customer. For each request, there is always someone here who will provide a prompt and accurate answer. Together with the most advanced technologies, our motto is "Our people care." Mucedola also supplies bedding of wood shavings and corn cob in autoclavable and irradiated packages. The product is dusted, dried and certified, free of resins and foreign bodies. The bedding is present on the market under the Scobis brand. The choice of specialized expansion alongside biomedical research and its extreme production flexibility have put Mucedola in a position of European leadership in the sector.